My name is Paige Graff and I'm from the NASA Johnson Space Center. Well, basically our presentation was focusing on how scientists use Earth to better understand other planetary bodies in our solar system. And so I think the major thing that we're hoping students and teachers would take away from this activity is the actual process that scientists use and the whole idea of the fact that it's not always about the right or wrong, it's about evidence to support your reasoning, which is a really great skill for students as well as our scientists. So basically there's 5 parts of the activity. The first part is being able to use descriptive words to identify an image. So one of the first things the group did was I described an image, and the participants, they actually had to select which image I was describing, and they showed me that using their hands to indicate which image number they were looking at. The second part of the activity is having the teachers create a list of criteria to describe certain geologic features. So they looked at images, they looked at criteria, they made a match. And so basically they were coming up with keywords that could describe a particular feature. So for example, a smear would be associated with a wind streak feature. A circular feature would be a descriptor to identify an impact crater. After that, they reinforced that knowledge by practicing those skills, and they got an image and they put that image onto a planetary comparison feature wall of Earth first, so they could display the Earth images and the 4 different processes we were focusing on. And then lastly, the last part of the activity is they each got a planetary body, and they had to divide the images up by geologic process and then think about which features they were looking at, again using that criteria. And then they selected 4 images to build our planetary comparison feature wall. So that's where they put all those images up, they taped them to the wall so that we could then look at our 5th part of the activity, which is discussing our solar system major geologic processes like impacts, volcanics, and other processes we don't see in other worlds like water or perhaps even wind.